Welcome to Grand Junction, Colorado, and we are at Enstrom's Toffee and Confectionery. This place here has some of the best almond toffee you will ever eat in your life. Established in 1960, this is a place we always love to come back to. So let's walk in here, let's try some samples, and let's watch them make the almond toffee. Oh, I think I already put on 2 pounds just walking in. Ice cream, confectioners. But this is the place I like to go, is over here. Oh yeah. Not sure, it looks like they're making caramel popcorn here today. You can stand here, there's glass here, and you can stand here and watch them do their magic all day. If you look over here, there's lots of butter over here. He's grabbing some butter there. That looks like a caramel popcorn. I see it. Looks like a machine over there making popcorn right over there, and I see bags of it there. And we've been here before when they've made the toffee, and they'll make it on these tables here, and it's really, really cool to watch them pour the chocolate and the caramel and the almonds and just layer it. It's really cool to watch that. So Nancy found some of the almond toffee here, and it's terrible. Listen, I figured. Look at that smile on her face. She's trying to hold back a little bit here. Yeah, but they're not making toffee today. They're making looks like caramel corn today. So I love the big pots over there. They melt the butter and they put the caramel and all that in there. Then they mix the popcorn in with it and put it out here on the table. Boy, that looks like that would be so good and tasty to eat right now. Look at that kettle. They just poured stuff in there. He's going to mix all that in, that popcorn. And then there looks like they're getting ready to make another batch over there. The guy's got a big bucket of sugar, it looks like. I can't imagine what it smells like in there with all the sugar and the caramel and the mixing. It's got to smell just heavenly in there. All goes in the ingredients there. Is that Oh, look at that. Wouldn't you love to get your mouth on that? And these tables that they have here, they're cooling tables, so they'll put that out on that cooling table. Let it firm up real good. This guy is picking up 2 big chubs of butter and put in that pot there. And here comes some more ingredients. See, they've got this pot here with popcorn in it, and they're making like caramel over there that they pour into the pot and stir it all in. And it looks like getting ready to clear off this table here. And so they'll take that and they'll put it in these bags and take it to some place where they'll package it. There they go. I can't imagine, doing this all day because they keep popping popcorn and keep putting it back over there, but doing it all day long. And there's a bag of caramel corn. Wonder how much that bag of caramel corn is worth.
Trunk surfing. Yeah.
So it looks like on that table back here is where they measure out the ingredients that's going to go in these pots to make the coating for the popcorn. Ooh, look at that.
And I wasn't there very long. Right. I made little appearances and then I missed it. I think he tried to get a picture with me. I was like, no, I don't like having my picture taken.
I wonder if they ever lick the bowl or lick the spatula. Here they go. Ooh, look at that thing poured in there. And back to make another batch. Oh, this guy here, just mix it all in. Here they come with more ingredients. Boy, they've got it down to a science, don't they? I'm just going to shoot around here the little candy store here that they have. Look at that chocolate guitars. Nancy, listen to that little chocolate slippers in there. Oh, she's wanting to show me something. Let's see what they have here. Oh my, that is huge. I don't know if I would use those out on the golf course. I might eat them out on the golf course. shop around here. Got some baked goods there. Boxes of almond toffee, and then there's cold items in there. Oh, look at those. If you're ever in the Grand Junction area, you need to stop here and check this out. It is really, really cool.